We are on Pennsylvania 309, otherwise known as the Bethlehem Pike. We're somewhere around Coopersburg, Pennsylvania, kind of in the Quakertown area. Tractor trailer parking in the lower lot. Oh, neat! Kathy's Country Kitchen actually has truck parking. Not a lot of it, but a little. Hey, there's even a prime in there. Neat! That's good to know. It's always good to find new places with truck parking you're not expecting to have truck parking. We are empty. I am going home. I have nothing in my trailer. You might be wondering why I'm going north in order to go home from Hatfield, Pennsylvania. The reason I'm going north is because I really hate driving through Philadelphia, Baltimore, and Washington, D.C. So we're actually going up to Interstate 78. And from 78 we will go west. We'll go west to Interstate 70, or not Interstate 71. Gosh, what number is that? We're going west to I-81 southbound, and 81 to Route 6, or not Route 66, to Interstate 66. What's wrong with me today? I can't talk. We're north on the Pennapike now. Not Pennapike. Wow! I'm just messing up everything. We're north on the Bethlehem Pike now to go west on 78, to go south on 81. We gotta pick up fuel in Carlisle. Then going south on 81 to east on 66, Interstate 66, to south US 17, to south Interstate 95, to home. That is the plan. Nothing else I said is the plan. That is the plan there. Which conveniently also avoids any tolls. At least for the time being. Apparently Interstate 81 is going to get tolls in Virginia before too long. Though they shouldn't be too expensive, at least. I hope. But they don't have tolls yet, so currently this is the no toll way home. And also the no traffic way home, conveniently enough. Mine Road? Mine Road? Mine? Yeah, so this road is kind of what highways in Pennsylvania looked like before they started doing freeways here. You know, 4 lanes, or 5 lanes, I guess, wide, with businesses on either side. Still moves at a pretty good clip, though. It's actually a decent little road. So it went freeway for like a few miles, and then it turned back into this. But this has been effectively bypassed by this little segment here has been bypassed by Interstate 476, which is part of the Pennsylvania Turnpike's northeast extension. I don't know. They're very bad at naming things in this state like that. Because for one thing, it shouldn't be Interstate 476, because even numbered 100 spur interstates are supposed to be loop interstates that go around a city, and 476 is a spur. It goes from Philadelphia up to like Wilkes-Barre. It should be an odd numbered interstate offshoot of 76. More speed reduction, please, Mr. Apophis. We need to be at 35. There we go. So my electronics curse has continued. We lost my cell phone yesterday. Not lost, like it's not physically lost, it's just no longer a safe to use device. The battery is bulging, so like the screen is popped out and the back is popped, which thankfully I noticed before anything bad happened. We've got it turned off and not plugged into anything, so it should be okay until we can get it replaced. It still has some battery, it's fully charged at the moment, which is, you know, not great, but at the very least, if we do get into an emergency situation, we can turn it on, and if it doesn't explode, we'll be able to place a phone call. So, we've got options. But I'm heading home, so I guess that's, you know, there's worse times it could have died. It means I get no traffic information while we're driving home. Don't. Stop, Apophis, stop, Apophis, stop, Apophis, stop, Apophis. Stop. That wasn't bad. I didn't want to slam on the brakes because we're empty, so it would just start bouncing my trailer and destroying my tires. Yeah, nice efficient stop. I do not trust the anti-lock brakes. Which, you don't want to just slam on the brakes and let the ABS do the work for you. That's not good. That's you're better to just stop more efficiently. Also, that's a good way to get yourself a hard braking incident. Also, Apophis really not handling the starting super well today. I don't know what's going on with him. But like, did you probably saw him shudder a little bit there when he popped it into third gear to start out there. I do not know what's going on. He's just not starting very well. There was a couple of stoplights where it absolutely should have used the hill start assist, which this truck has, where it'll hold the brake for an extra second when you switch your foot from the brake to the throttle in order to let you actually start pulling forward before the brakes let go. And it not only didn't do that, it started to pull, dropped a gear. Thank you for getting in front of me and stopping. It started to pull and then dropped a gear, so you're sitting there neutral, not moving yet. Like, this is a questionable decision. Almost as questionable as this person that got in front of me right before slowing down. Well, I can see 78 on my map now. Okay, everyone just wants to be in front of me. I get it. Okay, that's fine. Y'all aren't passing me to go anywhere. You're just passing me to be in front of me. That's fine. I got a gap again. Open that up. To 78 north on the 309. Stay green. High car. High car. High car. Tiny road. This town is adorable. This is what happens when you need to put a 5-lane road through a town that does not have room for a 5-lane road. You just split it off onto 2 separate streets. Gosh, I bet having a driveway out onto this street sucks so much. This used to be US Highway 309, because that was a US Highway shield on that sign. And also US Highway 9 is not far from here. I suspect. I wasn't expecting another electronic thing to break on me, so that means we have to get a cell phone before I can get a new laptop now. On the bright side, I make enough money now I can probably just outright buy a new cell phone and not have to worry about the payment plan stuff. That'll be nice. That will be nice. Of course, that assumes I've got money left over after moving. Actually, I should probably do the cell phone first, shouldn't I? Yeah, that's kind of important. I've got money in my savings account. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Ooh, putt-putt. Love putt-putt. I bet they're closed. I bet they don't like trucks. Yeah, they're closed. They don't like trucks coming in there anyway, I bet. I thing that dump truck was